Sophia! Sophie.
Good. She's standing pretty long.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. With her shoes on, she can stand a really long time.
Okay, okay. That's good.
And it's good that she's confident enough to move her feet.
Right, right. That's great.
It's a tricky thing. Big things. Right, Miss Sophie?
Yeah. Sophie, girl, look over here.
Oh, look at that.
That's good.
That's good, Sophie.
Sophie's stepping.
Okay.
Sophie, step to the side.
Wow.
Yeah.
Good job, Sophie.
Good job, sweetie. You're going to cruise the furniture soon.
Okay.
There we go.
Maybe Sophie might be walking better than Grandma in Korea.
Oh, no.
Exciting, huh? Keep her foot flat. There you go. Oh, what's down there? Do you get it? Is it the Little Mermaid? Hello, Ariel. Hello, Ariel.
Hi, Sophie.
Look, it's over here. Ariel's over here. Can you go say hi to her? Can Sophie go step? Step. Take a step. Take a step with your left foot. Oh, is it a calculator? You're going to do Mama's text amendment?
Hi, Sophie. Come look at Ariel. Yeah.
Step this way. Step this way. Take a big step. This foot. You can do it. You got to put your weight on this leg. Actually, put your weight back. And then take a step. Good girl. Then bring this leg closer. Put your weight on this leg. And then good. Can Sophie lean while she's standing? I am leaning from side to side. I am leaning from side to side. I am leaning from side to side. It's with the helper weight. I am leaning from side to side.
Yay, Sophie! Yay!
Shake your butt.
Yeah!
Shake your butt. Shake your butt. Bubble.
Yeah, Mom, get Bubble.
Can you
Come,
go see Bubble?
Let's go see Bubble. Yeah.
Yeah. Take a step.
Good job.
Good.
Come on, little girl.
Good girl.
Come on,
Come to Bubble. Yeah, come to Bubble.
Yeah. That's good.
Oh, you can do it. Take another step. Good.
Yeah.
We gotta go around the corner now, Sophie.
Come on, Sophie. Come this way.
Just put up that way. Good girl.
Okay. Okay. Come on.
Yeah, come on, Sophie. Come to Bubble.
Yeah. Come to Bubble. Okay.
There you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay.
Step forward.
Okay. Good job.
Can you
Good
put Bubble
job.
here, maybe? So she can kind of come around. Yeah.
There's Bubble.
Bubble, can you go say hi to Bubble?
Let's go say hi to Bubble. Yeah.
Yeah.
Fingers
Trying hard.
Yeah, that's a good girl. Oh, somebody's cheating.
Hold on. Hold on. Put back up. Good. Swinging it around. You did
There's
it.
Bubble. Yay.